The stock market is constantly changing. Are you keeping up with the latest trends? Today, we'll explore last week's stock market movements and the upcoming week's outlook. Let's break it down. Last week, from November 17 to November 21st, U.S. equity markets experienced significant volatility. Investor behavior shifted, influenced by developments in the artificial intelligence sector and changing expectations surrounding Federal Reserve policies. A notable sell-off occurred amid concerns about the sustainability of AI-related valuations. Despite a strong end-of-week rally, major indices finished with declines, reflecting ongoing market uncertainty. This week is a short trading week. November 24th through November 28th is Thanksgiving week. However, investors should watch some critical economic releases. Here's what you need to watch. On Monday, reports on U.S. manufacturing activity will kick off the week. Strong data could boost market sentiment, but weak figures might cause volatility. Keep an eye on European metrics too, as they could sway expectations for rate decisions. Tuesday is heavy with consumer data. The Producer Price Index and retail sales are released, alongside consumer confidence figures. These numbers are crucial for understanding inflation and consumer sentiment. A strong retail reading could signal economic strength and reduce the probability of the interest rate cut in December, while a hot PPI could spark inflation fears. Wednesday brings labor data, with weekly jobless claims and GDP revisions. Positive jobless figures might suggest a strong labor market. However, they could spark a sell-the-news market reaction due to a diminishing probability of an interest rate cut. Thanksgiving on Thursday means markets are closed. Most attention will shift to retail sales reports as investors gauge holiday spending trends. On Friday, a half-day session will follow. Watch for early signs regarding Black Friday retail sales, which could impact consumer stocks and overall market sentiment. With the holiday season kicking off, optimism could buoy markets. What does all this mean for the S&P 500? Currently, the index shows some volatility and is testing critical support levels. A close above certain markers could signal short-term relief, while failures could lead to sharper declines. The numbers suggest slight historical gains during this period, yet downside risks remain. In summary, the stock market week looks uncertain with both scenarios, bullish and bearish, almost equally possible. Key economic events will outline the economic landscape and influence market movements. With growth prospects and potential rate cuts on the horizon, the decisions made this week could carry weight well beyond Thanksgiving. For detailed analysis, visit www.kaiwealth.com. Stay tuned for updates and consider subscribing for more in-depth insights. Happy investing and enjoy the holiday season.